Hello, and welcome to the video on course selection and timetable planning for Bachelor of Science Psychology students. The following is a list of suggested first-year courses for a student in the BSc Psych program. You will notice all of your required first-year BSc Psych courses as well as some breaths and electives. The single asterisk provides students information on concurrent education. If a student chooses to complete their math requirements as a part of their Psych 12 credits, they will not be required to complete more credits to satisfy the concurrent requirements. The double asterisk includes information on more breath requirements to be completed. These can be completed in their first year if students wish to substitute those for their electives. You can also find this information at www.nipissingU.ca/NSO under the Course Selection tab, as seen within the Academic Advising's intro video in the NSO module. Courses within these course codes can be counted towards your breath requirements for your degree. You can either hit pause and review them now, or they can be found on the NSO website under Course Selections. Now that you know where to find a list of what to take, let's focus a bit on actually building your timetable. First, you will want to print off a blank timetable so you can start to pencil in your options and ensure you aren't trying to register for two courses that are taking place at the same time. You can find a timetable on the NSO website. Start off by clicking on the Course Selection tab, the Direct from High School tab, and then the Timetable Planner link. You'll see one side of the timetable is for the fall term. Be careful to only add fall courses to this side of the page. Your winter courses will go on the back side where you see the WI term. Some courses run for the full year. They're listed as FW on WebAdvisor. You will write those courses on both the fall and on the winter sides of the timetable. Pay careful attention to which side of the sheet you're writing your courses on, as it is easy to accidentally write something on the wrong side and get yourself mixed up. There will be another video assisting you with WebAdvisor, but let's take a quick look so you know how to tell if a course is being offered in the fall or the winter. Here is a quick screenshot of some of the math offerings in WebAdvisor, just to give you an example of how to tell. As you can see, course codes are followed by two letters indicating what term the course will be offered in. FA meaning the course runs from September to December, WI meaning the course runs from January to April, and FW meaning the course runs from September to April, all school year. Next, we're going to take a quick look at psychology listing so we can pencil in your first two courses together. Don't worry if you aren't quite sure how to get here yet. You can review the Registrar Office's videos on how to navigate WebAdvisor. As you can see here, there are several options for both Psych 1106 and Psych 1107. So, for the sake of this video, I've pulled together two options. As you can see from the screenshot, Psych 1106 is offered in the fall term as a synchronous online learning course. This means there are designated meeting times, so we must timetable it. I've chosen section FA 843, which takes place Wednesdays from 9:30 to 11:20 a.m. This is what it would look like on our fall term timetable. In the winter term, Psych 1107 is offered on campus, and with section WI 003 chosen, we can see it has a couple different meeting times because of both a lecture and lab component to the course. Lectures take place Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 until 2:20 p.m., with tutorials taking place Tuesday mornings from 9:30 to 11:20 a.m. On our winter timetable, this is what it would look like. On-campus courses are at least 3 hours per week. If you notice that you have written down anything less than 3 hours for an on-campus winter course, be sure to check with WebAdvisor to see what you may have missed. Let's look at another course on your list, ACAD 1601, or Academic Writing. You'll see this course is offered several times in both the fall and in the winter. Because you have so many options for this course, with both distance learning in the fall and distance and on-campus learning in the winter, you'll want to make this one of the last ones that you pencil into your plans. Don't forget to take it, but start considering what else you should decide on before you pick where ACAD fits best. Students planning on a full course load will be registering for 5 courses in the fall and 5 courses in the winter. This is an example of how the list of courses we reviewed at the beginning of this presentation might be split over 2 semesters. The lists of breadth requirement options can be found earlier in this video or under the Course Selection tab of the NSO website. Electives are other courses you plan to take based on your interests, academic goals, and course availability. You might decide to use your electives to complete a minor or potentially a teaching subject. Different minor options at Nipissing are as follows. If you'd like to learn more, check out the Academic Advising website for a video about minors and certificates. If you'd like more information about concurrent education requirements and teaching subjects, please review the video found on the NSO website under the Concurrent Education tab. Take some time now to review the videos by the Registrar's Office to better assist you in understanding how to navigate WebAdvisor and the registration process. With this information, you should be able to set yourself up a timetable for the year. Once you've planned all of your courses, you can log on to WebAdvisor and register. Please know that building a timetable and choosing courses can be a long process. Read different course descriptions, consider your different options, and understand that you will have the opportunity to make changes to your course selections even after courses have started in the fall. Once you've registered for your courses, you can email us at advising@nipissingU.ca if you'd like someone to review your selections. If you're still having more difficulties and want to sign up for a group academic advising chat, please check out your Nipissing email for information and instructions on how to do that. Thank you for listening, and good luck as you start to plan your first year.